going to be talking to you about the cost volume profit analysis. We will be going over this both mathematically and graphically. First, the definition. Cost volume profit analysis is the examination of the relationships among selling prices, sales and production volume, costs, expenses, and profits. Now to go over the cost volume profit analysis mathematically. First, we need to look at the break-even point, which is when a company's revenues and expenses are equal. The first formula we will look at is how to find the break-even point of sales in units. To find this, we will divide fixed costs, which is the cost that stays the same regardless of the company's level of sales, by the unit contribution margin, which is the dollars available from each unit of sales to cover fixed costs and provide operating profit. To find the unit contribution margin, we need to subtract the unit variable cost, which is the increase directly in proportion to the level of sales in dollars or units sold from the selling price. The second formula we need to look at is how to find the break-even point of sales in dollars. To find this, we need to divide fixed cost by the contribution margin ratio, which is the percentage of each sales dollars available to cover fixed costs and to provide income from operations. To find the contribution margin ratio, we need to divide the unit contribution margin by the unit selling price. These numbers calculated by the formulas allow us to find the break-even point graphically, which takes us to the graph. Here I have an example. Depending on the problem, of course, your numbers will be different. On the graph, we are able to take the intersection of the total sales line and the total cost line to find the break-even point. From here, we need to find the total cost line, which is found by beginning with the total fixed cost on the vertical axis as our first point. And we find our second point by multiplying the unit of sales on the horizontal axis by the unit variable cost and adding the fixed cost. Connect the points and we have our total cost line. Next, we need to find the sales line. Our first point is 0. Our second point is found by multiplying any units of sales on the horizontal axis by the unit sales price. Connect the points and we have our sales line. Looking at the graph, company losses will be found on the inside of the break-even point in between our total cost and total sales line. Our profit will be on the outside of the break-even point in between our total sales and total cost lines. I hope this all helps y'all to better understand the cost profit volume analysis. Have a good day.